goodness. A little homemade soup ladle. Ah, yeah, that's grand. So what we're going to do is just going to do a quick test pan. It gives us a good representation of what's here. Oh, yes, we're still on the go. I don't need the close-up camera for that one. I'll just keep going and going and going until my arms fall off or until the sun sets, whichever comes first. So bend with the knees, get into it, and lift. That is some nice dirt I'm looking at. Just gonna do a quick test pan at bucket number 5. A lot of clay material. I'm hoping for nuggets. I've already got baby pickers. Right, let's work this one back. Ha! Ha! Oh my goodness! That's not even the sluice cleaned out, that's just one test pan. Wow! They're chunky pieces, look at that! Give it for comparison. I'll get back to you later when I get the bucket number, well, I'm aiming for a 10, but we'll keep going. Just before I do the clean out, just give you a good quick view. You can see gold on the map there. Right, sluice box is well and truly cleaned out. Let's have a look here. I'm seeing gold on the edge there already, so I'll just come back again. Hopefully. Oh, this has been a very good day! So there we go. That is the gold for the day. And that's not all the gold, that's the gold that we got out of the sluice box. Right, so I cleaned out the snuffer bottle, show you all the gold I got for today. Those big chunky pieces.